Convertible time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 1968 Oldsmobile 442 convertible, real deal. 442, of course, 4467 in the VIN and 34467 on the data tag confirms that. 455 V8 underneath the hood. The 455 has 1969 C heads on it, as well as a 69 4-barrel intake manifold. Take a look at the chrome in the bumper. And also take a peek at the iconic 442 front end from 1968. Headlights, surrounds, bright work grille. Has had a repaint along the way to carousel red or orange. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, power top. Automatic transmission paired up with that 455 turbo hydromatic 400 to be exact. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. If you're seeing it on YouTube, click down below in the description. There'll be a link there. It's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Oldsmobile rally style wheels painted to match. Firehawk radials as we take a look down the passenger side of the car. Some of the recent service work that was done to this, new master cylinder, as well as tranny pan gasket, valve cover gaskets, oil pan gasket, coolant flush. I believe newer Edelbrock 4-barrel on there. We'll take a look underneath the hood here in a bit when I start it up. Let's hear it run. Black vinyl interior, of course, bucket seats, center console. We'll get around to the driver's side, check it out a little closer. Power top, we're going to put that up at the end of the video here, let you check that out. Black vinyl. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. We'll take a look at the chrome on the rear of the car. Of course, dual exhaust. Restoration work done on this car in 2004. And you'll be able to see the underside in the still pictures, trunk, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. So we take a look down the driver's side. Also remember, we have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. Can't make it yourself, maybe due to time or distance. Not a problem. You want somebody else to peek at it for you, report back. Try to represent them as fairly as we can with all the pictures that are taken, a walk-around video like this, and then of course, if you stick around to the very end of this video, you're going to see what it's like going down the road in this car. We'll do a little driving video so you can kind of take a virtual ride, if you will. All right. Take a little closer look at the interior. Door panels look good. Vinyl seating surfaces appear to be free of rips, tears, holes, seat belts intact. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. Let's hear it run. Take a little peek underneath the hood. This car always fires up anytime I've started it. Quick starter. Top of the dash looks good. Nice little rumble out of that 455. Nice deep exhaust note. Slip around the back so you hear it. I'm going to slip up to the front. It's going to take me both hands, so I'm going to pause this a second. Get the hood open. Let's check out this engine bay. There you can get a peek at the underside of the hood. And of course the engine bay, nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Battery disconnect for in between drives or maybe it's in storage. I mentioned the master cylinder, you can see that's new, and it is newer Edelbrock 4-barrel on there. Again, 455 power steering, power brakes, paired up with that automatic transmission TH400. And then remember the 1969 C heads. 1969 4-barrel intake manifold. Nice smooth runner. All right, let's get the top up. We'll check that out. And remember, stick around for the driving video. And here it is with the top up. So black vinyl top, power top, functions as it should. Nice tight fit above the windshield. Looks like a newer top, obviously, has been replaced along the line. Also, side glass. Looks like it fits pretty well. Don't always see that on the older convertibles. Haven't noticed any rips, tears, holes. Rear window, nice and clear. No problems there. Around to the passenger side, again, free of rips, tears, holes. And I would say a pretty nice fit on that side glass again also. There it is, real deal, 1968 Oldsmobile 442 convertible. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1968 Oldsmobile 442. This is a convertible. Factory radio is working.
.org. There is
This is got the top up currently. It is an automatic on the center console. Nice orange color. Kind of reminds you of that Judge color orange. Factory looking bucket seats in this car, and they are comfortable. It's a very original looking car. Fuel gauge is showing 3/4 of a tank. Very good acceleration in this Oldsmobile. It's a little cooler on a November morning here in Minnesota, and the heat does work great in this car. Nice smooth ride, good road feel. It's absorbing any road cracks very nicely. A little bit of wind noise around that convertible top. Again, it's a cold November day. And a 1969 convertible. It's not excessive. If I let go of the wheel, this car holds nice and straight in the lane. You can tell it's got power steering, easy to steer. Brakes are working well also. Well, cornering, it corners as you'd expect for a 69 Oldsmobile. A little bit of lean, not too much. But it really does get up and go when you get on that throttle. Nice throttle response. Make sure you look at the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com for the undersides, under the hood, all the details.